Hello everyone, welcome to PT 79 Plus series for reading, and today we are going to discuss reorder paragraph number 15. It means we have already discussed 14 highly repetitive reorder paragraphs, and you can see the link for the playlist in the description, and आप वो बाकी videos भी view कर सकते हैं. And this is a special series which is created on the demand of our students who are in our institute or online students. We have students from all over the world now, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, yes, because study visa के लिए भी PT accept होता है, and those students who are looking to go to UK also have started taking coaching from us, and a few students who are from Nepal as well as Sri Lanka are taking coaching from us. On their demand, we have started this series where we discuss reading. In reading, we discuss reading and writing, filling the blanks, reading, filling the blanks, and reorder paragraphs. Before getting started, a lot of congratulations to those students who have achieved their target score in this week, and you can see their results in the ticker below. My name is Bharat Bridge and I have scored a perfect 19 on the TEL skills of PT. Now students ask कि sir आपने PT का score achieve कैसे किया? Can we also achieve? The answer is big yes, and I'm writing this in capital letters because it is possible. And how it is possible? It is possible using two things. One is artificial intelligence and second are the strategies. PT आपका पेपर artificial intelligence evaluate करती है, and Marvel PT also uses the same technology, and strategies which we have for speaking, writing, listening and reading also help you to achieve your target score. रीडिंग का टाइमर इंटीग्रेटेड होता है. रीडिंग मॉड्यूल राइट इज ऑफ 32 to 41 मिनट्स. यू नो दैट. अब मॉड्यूल नहीं होती है इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इट्स प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज मॉड्यूल, एंड स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है दैट इट्स कोड ऑफ 90. द आंसर इज नो. द पीटी रीडिंग मॉड्यूल इज ऑफ जस्ट 45 to 47 मार्क्स एंड इट हैज 5 क्वेश्चन टाइप्स. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दिस, अब इनका ऑर्डर फिक्स हो गया है. पहले रैंडम था बट नाउ द ऑर्डर इज फिक्स्ड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल बी गेटिंग रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, then you will be getting multiple choice multiple answers, then reorder paragraphs, then reading filling the blanks, and in the last multiple choice single answers. If you have attended our previous videos, you know that किन questions पे आपको focus करना है, किन questions पे नहीं focus करना, which we are going to see in a minute. But before that you have to build pairs in reorder paragraphs. तो आपका focus किस चीज पे होना चाहिए? pairs पे होना चाहिए. What are reorder paragraphs? कैसे pair बनते हैं? You can see the first video of this series and I have told everything in detail there. So this is the real PT scoring, how 90 comes for reading, and you know that now you can simply ignore multiple choice single answer क्योंकि वो सिर्फ 1 मार्क के हैं. multiple choice multiple answer because वो 3 मार्क्स के हैं. तो अगर आप इनको आप अटेम्प्ट भी नहीं करोगे, still you can get 79 plus, and I can assure if you are following our strategies correctly. Today's topic is for reorder paragraphs which are of 6 marks. कितने questions आते हैं? You get 2 or 3, so means you will get 2 into 3 marks, or if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be 3 into 2 marks. So this is how the marks are distributed. And what is our strategy? Our strategy is very simple, and within 30 seconds, yes, within 30 seconds you will be able to solve reorder paragraphs. कहाँ आपको पहले 4 to 5 minutes लग जाते थे एक reorder paragraph को solve करने के लिए, but if you are using our strategies, you can quickly do within just half a minute and you will get 100% of marks. Based on our artificial intelligence and big data analysis, we could find out कि आपको कितना time devote करना चाहिए एक individual reorder paragraph पे. The answer for that is 2 minutes. आपको 2 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं spend करने हैं एक reorder paragraph में, and in these 2 minutes you have to skim, you have to read, you have to arrange the pairs, and then you have to confirm जो pairs आपने arrange किए हैं सही किए हैं या नहीं किए हैं. Then there are 2 methods of getting your scores in PT. One is the slow method, like जैसे snail है, you know that snail की स्पीड बहुत स्लो होती है. व्हाट इज दैट स्लो मेथड? इन दैट यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. आपको खुद करना होता है सब कुछ. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई योर ओन मिस्टेक्स. आपको अपनी मिस्टेक्स खुद आइडेंटिफाई करनी होती है. यू हैव टू डू योर ओन रिसर्च. आपको रिसर्च भी खुद करनी होती है. सबसे पहले आपको देखना होता है आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स की हैं. देन यू हैव टू सी व्हाई वो मिस्टेक्स हैं, क्या सही ढंग है वो सीखना होता है. एंड देन यू हैव टू टीच योरसेल्फ. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. दिस टेक्स टाइम. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स स्नेल्स पेस method, slow method. But then second is a fast method. The pronunciation for this word is fast, not fast. Okay, like rocket जैसे बहुत जल्दी आपको स्पेस पे मून में पहुंचा देता है, एंड यू हैव टू विन अ ट्रॉफी ऑल्सो विच इज योर टारगेट स्कोर, चाहे वो 79 प्लस हो, 65 प्लस हो या 58 प्लस हो. यूजिंग अ फास्ट मेथड यू कैन क्विकली अचीव योर टारगेट स्कोर. व्हाट इज दैट फास्ट मेथड? अ सिस्टम दैट आइडेंटिफाइज योर मिस्टेक्स. एक सिस्टम को फॉलो करना जो आपकी मिस्टेक्स आइडेंटिफाई कर सके थ्रू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. देन लर्न फ्रॉम अ स्पेशली डिजाइन कोर्स. आवर कोर्स इज डिफरेंट फॉर 79 प्लस. इफ योर टारगेट इज 65 it will be slightly different, and if your target is 58 plus, our course will be slightly different. So that's why our course is specially designed based on your needs. And then you have to get your progress checked. Our software allows you that everything, all these things you can do in our software. That is why it's a fast method, because हम आपको strategies बताते हैं, आपको बताते हैं कैसे आपको time management करनी है. We tell you the strategies which are working, so everything is told to you in detail. Okay, and reorder strategy. What are our reorder paragraph strategy? सबसे पहले we see how to find an independent line. Then BS strategy. BS strategy is your broad to specific strategy, and all these strategies which I am going to discuss we teach in our class in details. जो हमारे online students हैं या फिर जो हमारे institute based students हैं, उनको हम ये strategy बहुत डिटेल में बताते हैं, so that you get the concept. Then CO strategy, chronological strategy, another important strategy. Connectors की strategy भी हम use करते हैं. TO rule, which is topical order rule, another important strategy which we follow. Abbreviation rule also we follow because it's an important strategy. Then one of the important strategy is your subject object strategy. We follow that SO strategy. And then last sentence rule, we tell you how to find last sentences, and all these strategies again I'm emphasizing that we tell in our classes in detail so that you can also quickly apply. Our software, Marvel PT software, has two modes. One is exam mode, second one is time mode. In exam mode, when it's off, you will practice all the questions. जैसे ही आप इसको on करते हैं, you will see those questions which are predicted, and you should cram them because उन questions की probability बहुत high है आपके पेपर में आए. and अगर वो questions, वो reorder paragraphs आपके पेपर में आ जाते हैं जो आपने अभी अभी cram किए हैं, imagine your score. Yes, you are going to hit your target. And time mode, when it's off, you can take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Remember I told you how many minutes you have to take for the practice of reorder paragraphs? 2 minutes. अब आप कैसे प्रैक्टिस करोगे within that time frame? Then our software helps you in that also. Our software has a time mode. जैसे ही आप उस मोड को ऑन करते हैं, then you get a timer and we give you 120 seconds ताकि आपको टाइम बेस्ड प्रेशर का आइडिया हो, टाइम बेस्ड प्रैक्टिस कर सको, ताकि you know that you do not have to spend more time in your real paper also. This helps you in time management. And this is today's topic. I'm giving you 30 seconds to skim this, and after that I'm going to explain this. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना होता है, हमें एक इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन चूज करनी होती है. इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन के लिए हम प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन यूज करते हैं. नाउ रिमेंबर विच स्ट्रैटेजीज विच वी हैव. टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी, एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, आई कॉल देम एज इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज इन रीऑर्डर पैराग्राफ्स. सो लेट्स सी. अब आपको पता है, अगर आपने हमारे लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए हैं, सो द फर्स्ट लाइन इज द टॉपिक यू चूज. द टॉपिक आ गया. स्पेसिफिक मीन्स इसके बारे में ऑलरेडी बात हो रही है, तो ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन हो ही नहीं सकती. वी आर डूइंग आवर प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. अब प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन क्या है? वी आर एलिमिनेटिंग द रॉन्ग चॉइसेस. देन अगेन द फाइनल ड्राफ्ट. ऑब्वियसली द लगा हुआ है फाइनल ड्राफ्ट के साथ, तो ये भी आपकी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं हो सकती है. अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटीज 104. इसको आप 104 या 104 जो मर्जी कहिए. अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटीज 104 इज to write a persuasive paper on a topic of your choice. अब आपको लग रहा है ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन है, तो आपने इसको यहाँ पे रख लिया. ओके, दिस इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट लाइन को. द सोर्स शुड बी. अब आपको पता है द है, तो ये भी आपकी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं हो सकती. सी, दैट्स व्हाई ग्रामर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन सॉल्विंग योर रीडिंग, एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट टू योर रीडिंग स्कोर्स, you need to have a good knowledge of grammar. So वहां से this knowledge is in our articles. We tell you कहाँ पे द लगता है, कहाँ पे we do not use the, so it will help you, so you know that what you have done is just based on that rule. अभी हमने बाकी पढ़ा भी नहीं. We have simply eliminated the three options which we had considered them wrong using a process of elimination, and हमारे पास एक ही line बचती है, and we are going to drag this over here. So what we have done is now we have selected our independent line. अब हमें pairs के ऊपर focus करना है using our strategy. Few important strategies are your BS strategy, CO strategy, TO strategy, SO strategy and AB strategy. So उनके basis पे अब हम देखते हैं. A requirement of Humanities 104 is to write a persuasive paper on a topic of your choice. यहाँ पे topic आ गया है, remember, and this is now we had seen the topic over here, the topic. So यहाँ पे इसका आप ये कह सकते हो ये object है, यहाँ पे ये subject बन गया है. These are linked ones. So अब आपको पता है you are going to drag this and you are going to drop it here. चाहे आपको meaning समझ आ रहा हो, चाहे आपको logic समझ आ रहे हो ना आ रहे हो, आपने वो strategies follow करनी है which we teach you. So moving on to that, अब आपने topic वाली line यहाँ पे drag करके fit कर दी है. Now let's read this line. The topic you choose should be supported by a range of sources. Okay, यहाँ पे अब आप range of sources की बात कर रहे हो, और अब वो कहाँ पे बात हो रही है इस लाइन में. The source should be cited under APA guidelines and the final draft should be written in APA styles. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे again आपने कौन सी strategy use की, अपनी वही SO strategy. यहाँ पे उसका object है, यहाँ पे वो subject बन गया है, तो you are using that strategy now. So that's why this will be the next in the line or next pair. अब एक ही line आपके पास है, वो वैसे ही आपकी यहाँ पे fit हो जाएगी, but still are there logics? Yes, because यहाँ पे आप कौन सी बात कर रहे हो, the final draft की. तो यहाँ पे भी अब कौन सी बात हो रही है, उसी बात की, the final draft की. तो अगर आप देखिए again यहाँ पे उसका object है, यहाँ पे वो subject बन गया है. So this is how you knew कि ये दोनों linked हैं, and you are going to put that in the last. And now let's click on verify button in our software and the order is correct. So you saw how easily we could crack this reorder paragraph based on our knowledge of grammar. And we have a special course for our elite subscriber or those students who take our coaching in our institute. We teach them grammar in detail. There are 25 to 30 lectures for grammar course. In that we tell them parts of speech, subject verb agreement, prepositions, models, articles, and today's reorder paragraph we solved using articles where we have to use the, where we do not have to use the, and then determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, then British English rules and sentences. We teach everything in detail to our students so that you can crack your reading in first attempt. Then in our software you can see आपने कौन से questions को correct किया है, कितनी बार आप attempt कर चुके हो, so that जो आपने correct किए हुए हैं you do not need to remember them, revise them, पर जो incorrect हैं you can quickly revise those. Okay, and then when you click on any answer reorder paragraph का, you will be able to see this button show me. अगर आपने already attempt किया हुआ है, when you click this you will be able to see your correct order and your order, so you can quickly skim your correct order ताकि आप next time वो mistakes ना करें. And then most important thing, there are video explanations why these are important. Like जैसे मैं आपको यहाँ पे explain कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे reorder paragraphs I'm not able to put them on YouTube, but उनकी explanations हमारे software में हैं, so you can see them, you can know the strategies we had used, कैसे हमने independent line choose की, कैसे हमने last line choose की. And always remember you just have 2 minutes. In first 30 to 60 seconds you have to skim the content, you have to find an independent line using our process of elimination, then you have to find conclusion. अगर आप ढूंढ सकते हैं, then in next 30 to 60 seconds you have to look for clues. जैसे आज हमने the से clue था हमारा, और बहुत सारे pairs the के basis पे ही बनाए. Then you have to find pointers, then years बहुत बार आपके पास होते हैं. However, firstly examples, you know that examples हमेशा last में आते हैं, so you have to apply all the strategies which we have taught you. And when it comes to cracking PT, you have to trust a system or profession. It's like this, you are standing at the almost at the top, but अभी आप top पे नहीं पहुंचे हुए हैं, and this is your target score which is 79 plus, 65 plus or 58 plus. When you are trusting someone, you are giving your hand to them, and if that person is right, वो आपका target score achieve करवा देगा. But if that person is not right, you will fall off the cliff and you have to reattempt PT. We do not want you, we want you to get to your target score in first attempt. attempt whatever your target score is. And all our strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. You can see the score of the students which have achieved their target score in this week, and you can see their scores in the ticker below. Consider Marvel PT as center of the universe. Then you have to understand the concepts. जैसे आपने concepts को understand किया, then you learn them. जैसे आज हमने strategies देखी, then you implement those strategies, SO strategy, right, TO strategy, abbreviation strategy. Then you have to perfect, and perfection कैसे आती है? Practice के साथ और feedback के साथ. Feedback and practice will make you perfect, and we offer a correction of feedback service which is free of cost for our online subscribers as well as those students who take coaching from us in our institute. So speaking mein, we provide complete correction service for read alouds, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture. You can send your answers for evaluation, and me and my team will evaluate them, and we will tell you what mistakes you are making, kaise aapko theek karna hai, how you have to use our strategies correctly so that you can achieve your target score. We provide complete feedback and correction service for writing also, summarize written text as well as write essay, and in listening we provide our send for evaluation service for summarized spoken text. This is the trophy which you have to win, right? 79 plus can be your target score, 65 plus or 58 plus, but if you are not following or modifying our strategies, I'm not sure if you will be able to get to this trophy in first attempt, but if you are following, you will be able to win this in your first attempt. Learning a language is like going to gym. The brain needs exercise and it needs repeated exercise for it to develop, and practice is the key. जैसे हमने आज लर्न किया कुछ strategies का, जितनी practice करोगे, जितनी बार implement करोगे, you get better at that. And with practice, as I said, feedback is important, evaluation and monitoring is important, and these things are provided by Marvel PT, and you can do your intelligent practice with artificial intelligence. This is our phone number 8699121121. You can WhatsApp us at this number if you have any doubts, questions, or you want to take online coaching, or if you want to come to our institute. We post such informative videos on a daily basis, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We give wings to your dreams.